What are resistance bands?
Resistance bands are stretchy, flexible bands made from latex or similar materials. They're used to create resistance during exercises, making movements more challenging. Resistance bands come in various shapes, sizes, and strengths. They can be looped, flat, or tube-shaped, and are popular for both fitness and rehabilitation. People of all fitness levels use them to upgrade their workouts at home, the gym, or on the go.
What are the main benefits of resistance bands?
Resistance bands offer versatility, affordability, and portability. They can help build strength, improve flexibility, and enhance stability. Because the resistance level can be easily changed by using thicker bands or by adjusting your grip, they're suitable for all fitness levels. Resistance bands are also gentle on joints, making them a great option for injury recovery or low-impact training.
How do you use resistance bands in workouts?
Using resistance bands in workouts is simple. You can add them to familiar exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups to boost intensity. Bands are also fantastic for strengthening the upper and lower body, practicing stretches, or improving balance. Some bands can anchor to doors or equipment for pulls or rows. They're useful in yoga, Pilates, and physical therapy routines as well.
Are resistance bands effective for building muscle?
Yes, resistance bands can help build muscle. By providing tension throughout the range of motion, bands challenge muscles in ways similar to dumbbells or machines. Studies show they can promote muscle growth and strength, especially when used consistently and with increasing resistance. For best results, use them with proper technique and gradually increase the difficulty.
What are some example exercises with resistance bands?
Common exercises with resistance bands include bicep curls, shoulder presses, squats, glute bridges, and seated rows. To target the back, try band pull-aparts or assisted pull-ups. For legs, loop a band around your thighs during side steps or standing leg lifts. These exercises can be tailored to your fitness level by choosing the right band thickness and adjusting repetitions.